release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call.
The rise of Chinese AI chatbot DeepSeek has taken the world by storm. Chinese apps are rising up the charts around the world. DeepSeek, TikTok, Xian, Temu, and more. In just a few years, Chinese apps have not only climbed the global charts, but they've redefined the way we interact with technology. From AI chatbots like DeepSeek challenging global giants, to TikTok's viral impact and Temu revolutionizing e-commerce by combining affordability with innovative app design, China is reshaping tech on multiple fronts. But it's not just about apps. Look around, the electric car revolution led by BYD, the dominance in battery production, solar panels that power 60% of the world's renewable energy by 2028, and drones soaring in the skies of Shenzhen. Next time you hear that buzzing above your head, there's a 70% chance it's a DJI drone made in the city of Shenzhen. In the rapidly evolving field of quantum computing, Chinese scientists publish more quantum-related research papers each year than any other country. China is not only creating apps, it's building entire ecosystems. So how did China achieve this tech revolution? It's all part of a long-term plan. In 2015, the Chinese government launched Made in China 2025, an ambitious initiative to move beyond being the world's factory for low-cost goods and become a global tech leader. Under this plan, China set over 250 mini-goals across 10 target technologies, and by many estimates it has ticked off 86% of these targets. This isn't just organic growth, it's a state-backed strategy where the government sets research and funding agendas, encourages joint ventures with foreign companies, and attracts top talent from around the globe. For example, when US export restrictions hit Huawei hard, the company pivoted into microchip manufacturing and even launched cutting-edge products like the Mate 60 smartphone and the Ascend 910 CAI chip. Similarly, DeepSeek, faced with chip shortages, innovated with older technology and new techniques to build a world-class AI chatbot, proving that with the right strategy, limitations can be overcome. China's tech success isn't confined to mobile apps. It's reshaping entire industries, from electric vehicles and renewable energy to drones and quantum computing. While the US still leads in innovation with companies like Nvidia, Intel, and AMD, China's massive investments in research, along with its control over key manufacturing sectors like batteries and solar panels, are shifting the global balance. Taiwan and South Korea dominate chip manufacturing, while the US excels in tech innovation. Yet, with state-backed capitalism and long-term strategies like Made in China 2025, China is rapidly closing the gap and may become a major tech contender in the next decade. This fierce competition isn't without controversy. The US and its allies have accused China of intellectual property theft and aggressive state support, leading to sanctions and trade tensions. But even these challenges seem to fuel China's determination to achieve self-reliance and global dominance. So, what does the future hold in this high-stakes tech race? The answer isn't simple. While Chinese tech companies continue to set the pace with apps that dominate daily life and industries that power the future, the US is fighting back with massive investments, billions of dollars in research and infrastructure, and strategic moves by major tech giants. The global tech landscape is being reshaped right before our eyes. With every breakthrough and every setback, the competition grows fiercer. The real question is, how will this race affect the future of technology, national security, and even our daily lives? We want to know what you think. Can the US catch up to China's supercharged tech model, or will China maintain its lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.